Blazing through muscle car mythology with a growl that echoed pure rebellion, the 1968 Pontiac Firebird 400 HO was not just a car, it was a fiery embodiment of American horsepower in its most ferocious form. Unleashed during a golden era where torque ruled the streets and every roar told a story, this beast represented Pontiac's relentless desire to dominate both drag strips and driveways with a blend of elegance and raw performance that still burns in the hearts of collectors today. Introduced as an answer to the rising muscle car war, the 400 HO, high output, variant took the already potent Firebird formula and injected it with track-worthy aggression. Beneath its bold and aerodynamic frame sat the legendary 400 cubic inch V8 engine, producing a thunderous 335 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. This version came fitted with high-flow cylinder heads, a performance camshaft, free-breathing dual exhaust, and a Rochester Quadrajet 4-barrel carburetor, ensuring that every twist of the key ignited. More than just fuel, it awakened adrenaline. The 1968 model stood apart with updated safety standards, like energy-absorbing steering columns, new federally mandated side marker lights, and revised suspension. Geometry that improved handling without sacrificing the brutal power delivery. Styling remained aggressively sleek, with a split grille design, bold hood scoops, and optional Rally 2 wheels giving it a stance that demanded attention, even at a standstill. From 1967 to 1969, the first-generation Firebird saw gradual refinements, but the 68 400 HO remains, a crown jewel thanks to its perfect storm of design, power, and limited production numbers. It was often seen as a direct competitor to the Chevrolet Camaro SS and Ford Mustang GT, yet held its own with a distinctive Pontiac soul and unmistakable growl. Today, a well-preserved or fully restored 1968 Pontiac Firebird 400 HO commands collector prices, ranging from $65,000 to over $110,000, depending on originality, documentation, and condition. It's a timeless symbol of a no-compromise era, where every rev was a battle, cry and every drive, a declaration of freedom. If you're fueled by nostalgia, captivated by chrome legends, or simply obsessed with machines that changed history, then roll with us. Subscribe now, share your memories or dream rides in the comments, and become a part of our high-octane community where the roar of the past never fades.